We've got our next caller. Rakesh is calling us from New Delhi. Rakesh, hi, a very good morning to you. How can we help you today?
Yeah. Good morning, ma'am. Want your prospect on ICICI Lombard, as I have 150 shares at the rate of 1,955.
Okay. And
I am looking for a long time.
Long-term view. Okay, Rakesh, I got your query. I'll take this up with Mr. Chokalingam. Mr. Chokalingam, your view on ICICI Lombard?
One can hold it. Long-term outlook looks really very promising. Over a longer period, the bank company also has been doing quite well. So I would give a hold recommendation. In case it corrects, one can certainly accumulate.
Okay. All right. So that's the view on Axis Bank. Let's take the next one, Venkate. Okay, ICICI Lombard. All right. So we've got our next question on CDSL, and Venkatesh has got this question. He's bought at levels of 1,390 rupees per share. 40 shares is what he's got. He's looking at a 1-month time horizon. Kush, what's the view on the chart?
Definitely a hold. The stocks actually had a good bump up, but what's interesting is that it's sustaining that bump up today. Also, if you see, for whatever time markets have been open, about a little more than an hour, the stock's actually up on the back of very decent volume. So my suggestion would be to continue holding onto ICICI Lombard. I think on the upside, immediate resistance is coming at about 1660. So you've got some room there as well. As and when that is taken out, you're looking at a 1735 as well. So I think this has got good traction going for it. And on the downside, strong support zones at 1550. So even for an entry at current levels, risk reward is favorable. But since he's already holding it, I would suggest a hold, continue to hold with a stop loss at 15.
You were speaking about CDSL, right?
Yes, CDSL.
Got it. Okay. All right. That's the view on CDSL on the charts. Kishore is calling us from Hyderabad next, and he's got a question on Axis Bank. Kishore, good morning. How can we help you today?
Yeah, hello. I got 150 shares of Axis Bank.
Okay.
At 1104.
Okay.
I'm looking for a purely short-term view, and also I want their view on Aavas Financial.
No, one stock is what we'll take, and Axis Bank is what, therefore, we'll be discussing. When you say long-term, how do you define that, Kishore?
No, it's not long-term.
It's short-term. Okay. And how do you define that?
Maybe 2 to 3 months.
2 to 3 months. All right. So on the charts, bought at levels of 1,104. Kush, I'll come to you on the charts. The stock price is currently 1127, and banks seem to be making a bit of a comeback. Would you say hold for higher levels?
Yes, it's a hold. Let me start with the broad view first. It's a hold right now, and since the stock is above his buying price, as I normally do, I suggest a trailing stop loss at his buying price. So now 1104, 1105, that level should act as his buying price. Also, incidentally, that's the level where the rounding bottom formation breakout has come about 3 sessions ago. So anyway, it's a support zone from a near-term perspective. Now, just a quick word as to what is happening here. We've seen very sharp short covering by FIIs, and banks are a prime beneficiary of that, and hence an extended run. Today will be, I think, the 12th session of consecutive positive gains if that happens. Axis Bank also falls under that beneficiary list. So yes, the momentum could take it higher. Because he's got a position, I would suggest a hold with a stop loss at his buying price. However, as the stock moves higher, close to the 135 and then 1135 and 1150 zone, my suggestion would be to book profits and exit out of Axis.
Okay, book profits and exit out of Axis is the view where charts are concerned. We've got a